How you doing? I'm Michael London with Rockaway. I'm part of the carpentry division, and we're doing a job on this property. Some enhancements for the garden, a bunch of mulch work. We put in flower beds. The whole front of the house got redone with untreated cedar, which we're going to seal. We wrapped all the pre-existing 6x6 columns with 1x8 cedar and then capped off the bottoms. We shot it in together, and we left room for the bottom brackets so everything's floating and not touching the ground. We installed faux cedar window shutters on all the windows on the property. And then upstairs we did a bunch of work as well. We installed planter boxes on the top of the rails. There'll be drip lines installed inside of them so she doesn't ever have to water them for her specialty flowers. More window shutters, and then we did raw tones cedar clapboards for the front, right on rat run boards, and then capped it with the window shutters as well. And there'll be drip lines going out through all of these so they all feed on a timer so she never has to worry about watering them. And for the garden, we made above ground planter boxes out of raw cedar. And these were all made custom and pocket hole jigged so you don't see any screws in any of it. And we also installed drip line into it, so these are all on a timer as well. These will never have to be watered. Above the garden, we installed posts on the 6x6s so we can install a shade cloth that covers the entirety of the garden so she's never in too much sun working out here. It gets very hot in the afternoon. And we are in the process of doing the same thing for above the patio. There'll be another shade cloth that covers that whole area. And for the fence, this is 1x4 cedar pickets on 2x4 rails and 4x4 posts. Everything is buried 24 inches down. All the hinge posts are set in concrete. We're custom making a gate right now. And also at the end, it's tied into the house and away from the gutter, so it has proper drainage with the gutter buddy on there. The install crew installed this entire walkway with pavers and rock. They tied it into the beds going around the house for proper drainage and that aesthetic. All the mulch beds are new. Everything is trimmed out so it separates the rock and the grass. The entire yard is all laid sod. It's brand new sod that's been laid down. We're in the process of watering it every day, and she's in the process of putting the plants in right now. These are all her plants where they're going to be sitting. If you have any questions or are interested in getting a project done, whatever it may be, just contact us at Rockaway. Hope you have a nice day.